welcome back to my channel. I'm Rachel, the owner and creator here at the Eclectic Cottage in Spokane, Washington. Today's Tuesday, and today's video is going to be just a little different than I had planned originally. We had our opening of the nursery on Saturday, and it was super busy, you guys. It was a great day. I fully anticipated on taking a whole bunch of footage to show you guys for today, and I honestly just kind of stink at making sure that I get good footage. I got stuck behind my counter and really didn't have a lot of opportunity to go mess around out in the nursery too much, and unfortunately I really just didn't get any footage. So we were going to go on a junk run on Sunday, and I thought, well, at least I'll have a thrift haul to show you guys. We were so exhausted on Sunday morning when we got up that we decided to just kind of take it easy. We went into town because I had to do some other errands. We did end up stopping at a couple of yard sales, and we did find a few cute things. I'm going to show those to you. But that was pretty much the extent of our junk run on Sunday. And so I did do a shop tour for you guys though. So I'm going to put that on the end of this video. And so stick around, and I'll take you all the way through the shop as it's all dressed up for the spring. So I hope you guys like that portion of the video too. And without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and show you the things that we did find on our miniature junk run that we did on Sunday. So we did get this cute little stand. I'm assuming this is some kind of like a sewing box thing. It's really cute. It's got this little drawer that came in it. It's got a crack in it on this side. But it doesn't go, it just seems to be like it's in the finish. It doesn't go all the way through to the inside. But it's sturdy and it's in decent shape. This will get a paint job, so if you don't like seeing people paint old things like this, that might not be a good video for you to watch. But I will give this probably a good painting. I don't think I'm going to paint the inside of it because it's in really, really good shape, but I will give the outside of this little box a makeover. Then we found at one garage sale, they were, apparently they must close out storage units, and so they had a bunch of just random stuff sitting around. I found this cute vase. This was only $1. I thought it was just so pretty. I'm going to save this and probably put it out in the fall. This will be so cute with a fall vignette. Maybe a piece of furniture with some sunflowers or something on it. Then we found a bunch of blue and white stuff. They had some that was too oriental looking for me. I like the stuff that's blue and white, but I don't necessarily want koi fish or a pagoda on stuff for the cottage. So I stayed away from that stuff, but I did find some cute things with there's just like blue and white florals on it. So this little vase, and these were all $2 each. Got this little guy I thought was just really pretty. This little vase I thought was just beautiful. Love this cobalt blue. Another one of these with the same pattern, just a different shape. Super cute. And then this tiny little bud vase that was blue and white. So cute. And like I said, $2 each on those. I won't make a ton of money here in my shop on these, but even if I can make a couple bucks, that'd be great. And then this blue and white teapot that I thought was fantastic. This is Falstaff. It's just so pretty. I just love it. And this was also $2, so I grabbed that. Then this blue and white dish has a lid. I checked it over really well. It's in great shape. Even the little rose on top doesn't have any chips or anything like that. It's got these little feet. And this was also $2. And then I picked up this cute little gray pot for $1. Thought that was just really nice. I have the potted plants in the shop, and this one has a hole in it, so this will be great for one of my house plants. And then this little, excuse me, this little wooden box I thought was a good opportunity for some paint and maybe some decoupage paper or transfer, something fun. And it was only $2, so I grabbed that too. And then this little pot here, and this one does not have a hole in it, so you'd probably want to put your potted plant directly in the pot in here, but it was only $2, so I grabbed that as well. And then I did find a couple pieces of art that I really liked. This one I found, and it was marked at $20. I managed to talk the lady into taking $10 off of it though, mainly because it's got a little bit of a bubble in the matting right here. I don't know if I'm going to try and take it apart and fix it. This is another home interiors print, and the last one I did was a nightmare to try and get into the back of, so we'll see. But it's Thomas Kincaid. It's a really pretty winter scene. I love having art on the walls for Christmas, which is great. So I grabbed this for 10. Even if I don't make a ton of money on it, it'll just be a nice addition to a Christmas display. And then I got this one, which is Home and Garden Party. It's another just really pretty print. Absolutely love it. The colors are great. This one has a little bit of damage on the frame, so I will probably paint the frame on it. But it was only $5, so I couldn't pass it up. So I grabbed that one as well. That is it for my miniature thrift haul that we managed to accomplish on Sunday. So I hope you guys enjoyed my little goodies. And for Friday's video, I am definitely going to be getting back here in my kitchen. Although you guys should see it right now, it's an absolute disaster area. So first I'm gonna have to clean up in here and then hopefully get some time to sit down and create, because that's what I enjoy doing. So that'll be for Friday. And then don't forget, next up is the shop tour. So stay tuned for that, and I will take you on a little tour around the shop. So I hope you enjoyed that as well, and I hope you liked the video today. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. I so appreciate that. And if you haven't already, I would love it if you think about subscribing to my channel, and then just hit that little notification bell so you don't miss anything. And then don't forget to drop a comment below and let me know if you had a favorite item in today's mini haul, or what did you think of my displays in the cottage. I always like to hear from you guys, so don't forget to comment. And until Friday, I hope you have a great rest of your week. I know we're actually supposed to get some rain here finally, so that'll be good. Anyway, I hope I can get some projects done for you guys, and I will see you back here on Friday. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate it. Bye.